Look, so that building, that used to be the Madonna's house on the left there, and this big one up here, Van Tramp Valley used to live there. And that's where they filmed Sound of Music. Most of the Sound of Music was filmed in this area. See that parking lot there? That parking lot was actually built by Cary Grant in 1673 for the first cars ever developed in Spain. Well, look, you know, I mean, I realised that the date was wrong. Okay, I got the date wrong. But Cary Grant did build that parking lot. It's called the Cary Grant parking lot. He's doing a movie. What is the point of that? What is the point of that film, Mark? I mean, that is exciting as watching paint dry.
And you're an artist.
I think I'd rather watch paint dry than this. Yeah. But this could be an exciting movie. No, that's a bit of view. Did you say you woke yourself up snoring this morning, John?
No, in the car while I was dozing, waiting to go to see you.
Alright, that's nice. It's a nice feeling, though, isn't it? It makes you feel kind of mature. But you did you say you also had a lit cigarette on your lap when you woke up? You've forgotten, you fell asleep smoking again, didn't you? You must stop doing that. What did the doctor say? This doesn't have sound in it.
Yes.
Oh.
So, would you like to give any more commentary on the ride?
Well, you know, I mean, thinking, well, why not? I mean, it's everything to do with what we're seeing. I mean, yeah, this is spectacular.
Uh-oh.
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my good god, no. Really crash. You're going very, very fast. That was scary. Do you remember we've done this before today? I seem to remember coming down here a few hours ago. Well, maybe less than that, I don't know. 20 minutes ago.
You know, a filmmaker is committed to his art.
Yeah, well, shut up and carry on filming. This way it gets really fast. It's almost 11 miles an hour, I think, down There's nothing like an exciting movie, is there? And this is nothing like an exciting movie. Yeah, okay. So. But thank goodness it's nearly the end.
Don't spoil the
Who's
suspense.
going to see this? Who's going to watch this? Seriously,
There'll be
all the
like
way
12
through.
people that watch it worldwide.
I mean, Andy Warhol would like this. So
If I put the tag Gangnam Style in it, people will watch it.
That's true, yeah. In the middle of it, yeah. Or a dancing dog or something. Yeah.
Nursing mother.
Yeah. Whatever, anything to make it more interesting, really.
You don't think this is interesting?
Yeah.
There are funicular fanatics who will love this.
Just have a close of a wall of wet paint on the wall, that would be an idea as well. Okay. I'm suddenly very embarrassed.
Take the order.
I love you, Jessica. I said you about mouth the words. I love you.
It's not. We're not there yet.
I know. Well, we are there, but we're not there.
No, it's still moving.
Are you?